too much distance. Okay. Purpose of TRBC? To check the RBC count, to check the anemia, to know malaria. What happens to RBC count in malaria? It will decrease. And for checking chronic renal failure. What is the idea behind the chronic renal failure? Kidney will secrete erythropoietin, decrease the erythropoietin, decrease the RBC count. Then hypoxia, RBC count will increase. Dehydration, polycythemia. Thalassemia decreased. Sickle cell anemia decreased. Parasitic infection decreased. Pregnancy, RBC count will decrease. Then iron deficiency decrease. Then malnutrition can decrease. Okay, so this is the purpose of TRBC count. Then methods of TRBC count. What are the methods?
Visual automatic.
Visual method we have microdilution method and macrodilution method. Microdilution we are using RBC pipette where it has a 0.5 mark and 101 mark. Up to 0.5 we will take blood and 101 mark we will take diluting reagent. What is the name of diluting reagent? Cairns fluid. Then we have automatic, fully automatic and semi-automatic. Further they have 3-part and 5-part. 3-part only W is RBC platelet. 5-part can distinguish granulocytes and agranulocytes. Okay. Then I discussed about the major steps in RBC count. You will collect the blood. You will dilute the sample, charge the Newborn chamber and count it under the microscope. Then coming to the Newborn chamber has 9 large spheres. The 4 corner large spheres are used for counting of white blood cells, whereas the central sphere is used for counting red blood cells. And central sphere is further divided into 5 into 5, where you will count the red blood cells in central square. In 4 corner space in the central small square of the central square, we will count the red blood cells. And what is the depth of the Newborn chamber? 0.1. And so what you will do, you will count 5 spares with 5 into 5, and you will start counting each square, small squares in this fashion. Okay. Then the overall calculation is n into 10,000. How we got n into 10,000 is so volume of 5 squares is 1 into 5, 1/5 into 1/5 into 0.1 depth for 5 squares. So for cubic millimeter of blood. Okay, that will be 1 into 15 millimeter cube, and number of cells 1 into 15 to millimeter cube is n. So number of cells in millimeter cube is n into 50, and dilution factor 200 to 50 into 200 and into 10,000. So n into 10,000 is the calculation. Then you will start counting the cells and you will get a value. So this is all about the TRBC count. And what diluting fluid we are using for WBC? Dog's fluid. What is the dilution factor for WBC? 1:20. What is the dilution factor for TRBC? 1:200. Right? So that's it. Now you can start performing. Yes.